Guys, I think I just got a package. Oh my god, it's here. I don't know what this is, but it's here and I'm so happy. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Okay guys, so pretty much I ordered some stuff and I'm home right now because I had an allergic reaction today. What? Yeah, so I had an allergic reaction today. So yeah, so I'm gonna get it and then we'll do an unboxing right now for you guys. This one real quick, shall we? Not cut deeply. Okay, try not to. Oh yeah, feel like I just cut something. God, they use a lot of tape. Don't want me to cut deeply, then I use so much tape. Oh my God, it's my lights, guys. So happy. Be moving my body like this, but I honestly don't care at this point. Because I need something to cheer me up because allergic reactions are not fun. And yeah, so let's see what's in this box. So first, 2 white umbrella sticks. We'll go in that one in a minute. Here is a case of some sort. Let's open this up if I can. Yep. Oh, this looks like a light bulb case or whatever. Has like styrofoam in it. So that's cool. Guys, I'm filming this on my iPhone because I wanted it just to be real quick. Oh yeah, I ordered a green screen too, so that should be here. And here is another like pole case, I think, like pole. All right, so holy cow, guys, so many more boxes. So let me see if I'm still in frame. Yep, still in frame. Okay, let's go with this first box here. This might be a little time lapse opening because I don't want to waste your guys' time. So let me actually turn this to time lapse and we'll open it with time lapse.
I keep going to the river to pray, 'cause I need something that can wash all the rain and animals. I'm sleeping all these drugs.
Hey guys, so I'll kind of show you guys what's in this. Here, I'll just take this off. So these are all 3 of these boxes right here, 1, 2, and 3, all light bulbs. All 1, 2, and 3 are all stands and 2 umbrellas. Those are cords to plug in the lights, and those are just bags. So I also have one more thing to unbox, kind of. So bag. Oh, baby, that scared me too. Yes, my tripod just fell over. That's not my normal tripod, so I have one more bag, and I think this is just stand for my my backdrop. But my backdrop won't be here for another couple weeks. So yeah, see, yeah. So I think we'll hold off from that. Let's set up this though downstairs. What do you guys think about that? I don't know if I should be moving my body like this, but I am because I am. So yeah, we're gonna go downstairs, and my hair is not in the mood to be fixed right now. So let's go downstairs and we'll set it all up, and I'll show you guys.